Hi, welcome to the brand new Ava Resort Cancun. Let me take you around and show you this amazing suite that even has its own private sun deck. So you walk in and you have a kids room, which is great. It even has a door that closes and they have their own TV, so they will stay busy forever in here. Then you come down and you have lots of spacious drawers. And remember, this is an all-inclusive resort. So all the alcohol, beer, water, anything is all included in your room, including the mini bar area. And you've got some additional drawer space under here, if you pack heavy like I do. And here you've got these super cute little Ava robes, seersucker. You've got your safe, of course, steamer, which I love. Next, you have the bathroom. And in here, you've got your shower, water closet, and plenty of sink space. This is a brand new build and it opened in June of 2024. So then coming in here, you've got the master bedroom. Master bedroom has your king bed, you've got a sofa over here, a little sitting area if you want to have a snack or something like that, and have your own TV in here. But let me show you the best part. You have a full sun deck and your very own jacuzzi pool out here as well. In a nice little sitting area, and you can see the entire property and have an ocean view as well. And again, this is Ava in Cancun. Give your favorite Journeys agent a call and we will be happy to get you booked here.